A little messy, but this is where the magic happens. What I'm gonna do is run out this machine so we can eat some donuts. Let's run it out. Hot, fresh mini donuts. We're gonna hold these up. Gonna hold it up one more time, and then they're gonna flip right over. Lazy river pool of mini donuts, baby. Hi, Chels. Oh, I got a donut stuck. Yeah, I gotta run out the machine. Still got a lot of mix in there. Say cheese. Who's gonna eat all these donuts? They needed to take more. It's a lot.
It's a lot.
I should have made one mix. I said it was a small party. I'm used to the bigger parties. But it's okay.
I mean, the kids can eat it.
Yeah, and we got the snowstorm. So it's okay. What's that? No, because I gotta make sure it collapses a certain way. You got money? Woo, you ballin'. One donut down. Oh, one donut down again. With that. Alright, we're running it out. We're at the end. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know your party ideas. What you do when you guys have parties. Alright, until next time. Peace.